Hi. Now we need to make the connection for 15 arm chandelier. We need to know how to fix the wire together without any problem. Now the most important, each arm has wire. This wire has two lines. The wire, each arm has wire. The wire has two lines. This line N, L. We can say L, N, no problem. No problem which one N, which one L. But must to be separate these two. N, L or L, N. No any problem. Now the first step we will do, we will fix. We'll try to make it clear. We'll fix N with another arm. And L with L. We'll fix it together. Each arm has the wire two line. We'll fix N, L for all the chandelier together. Okay, now we already make have wire L together, N together, L together, N together. Just I make it two parts to make the things more easy, because if you fix it will be too much wire together. In this way we need to use two small more wire to help me more. This I can take this two wire from the main wire, from up or from down the main wire. I will use this two. In HaffaR lighting factory, always in the chandelier you will have one bag has so many parts. The parts now, the first what we will use, it's the red cup. This what we will use it in the first step. Now we let us to see how we will use. We will take the first wire, what we need to use to help us to make the less wire together. We will fix it together with the first N, the first N group. And we put the cup and we turn. We turn as we can, keep turning. Till it will be strong enough, and this small wire what we use, it's already go out. So we save all this N wire to be one wire N. The L, another side L, we will use the same way. We will take this small connector, small wire, we will put it together. And we will use the same, this red cup, we put it, then we turn. We keep turning till it will take it together as a one. Now we save, we take from this group L, we save it to one wire, and we take it to one wire. Now the main wire who go down from the column has three lines. If we can see clearly, there is one line has green. one line blue, and one line it's transparent. We take first the green one as a L or N, and we fix it with this group. Now this group also it's N and L. We fix N with the main wire and L with the another group L. We see again, we fix all from the main wire. We fix the green, let us say the green N, the blue L, we fix together. Then another group now, also go two wire, we fix it with N and L. Okay, now we fix all together, all the chandelier N with the main. We can see here there is so little blue line, another one so little green line. We fix all together and we take the cup again to make it tie together. Just we put and we turn till it will be strong to cannot turn it again. Now we already fix everything together, L, N together. Now in the main line, still there is the third line. The third line who is transparent, no any line inside. We can see it's a transparent. We fix it with the yellow wire who come from the main column. This wire, the white, we fix it together. This it's the earth, it's the ground. It's the ground wire, just the European standard to be some safe. We will say again as a quickly fast, each arm has the wire has two line, L, N. We fix all N together, all R together. The main line who come from the column has three line, one line with small green, one line with small blue. This we make it as a L and N. The third one, we fix it with the yellow as the earth, as the ground line who be in the body. Now it's ready from down. So just now we're ready, we will close it. After we close, we see here up, there is no any wire go out, so it will be safe. Then we put the screw to make the cover tie. Then we finish it with the big plate. And with the chandelier end. Now down it's done and everything it's okay. The electric it's okay. In the same bag, you take the white connector. Okay, the line who come from the chandelier column has the blue line and the green line and the transparent. The transparent here I cut because in my line, in my ceiling line, I just have two. So this is no use for me. Now I will fix the connector with the main line chandelier as separate N and L. And in the same time, I will fix the ceiling line N and L. We fix here N, L, N, L. No problem which one N, which one L. We can turn, and here we can turn. We can exchange, no any problem. This, the ground line, if you have the ground line, so you can use it. But as I don't have the ground line, so like this, it's okay, and it's safe without any problem. Okay, now everything is okay. We fix the bulb to try. After we fix all the lamp to try, still we didn't fix the dish and the crystal. Just now we fix the lamp to try. Now, okay, we make the electric on. All the lamp it's working and without any problem. Thank you so much, and welcome always with HaffaR Lighting Factory.